Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Jason.
Good. Before we start today's lesson, let's go over our homeworks. So, let's check our homeworks together today. So, can everybody open your homework book to page 24, 25, and 26, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to call you guys one by one and check if your answers are correct. Okay, I will call you individually. Let's start with Rachel. Can you do number 1, please, on page 24?
Were they in the bathroom? No, they weren't. They were in the elevator.
Good. Shark, can you do number 2?
Yes. Were you in the cafeteria? Yes, I was.
Good. Mario, can you do number 3?
Yes. Was he in the parking lot? No, he wasn't. He was in the hall.
Good. Nick, can you do number 4, please?
Yes. Was he on the shuttle bus?
Shuttle bus. Read it one more time. Shuttle bus.
Was he on the shuttle bus? Yes, he was.
Good. Okay, now listen, write the number and fill in the blanks. Okay? We're just gonna do the first top two. Sylvia, can you do the first top 2?
I can't wait to see the moon.
What number is it?
1.
This one.
Wait for me, I'm coming.
Good. What number is that?
4.
Good. Now the next box. Can you do the next box?
Was he in the bathroom?
Good. What number?
3.
Good. Does everybody have 4, 3 on the top 2 boxes?
Yes.
Okay. Alice, can you do the bottom 2?
He is over there.
Good. What number?
2.
Good.
I can't wait to see the moon.
Alright, good. Now we're moving on to the next page. Same thing with the next page. Listen and write the number. Mario, what is the first 2 box?
4.
And?
1.
4 and 1. Roy, the bottom 2 box. What numbers are the bottom 2 box?
3, 2.
Good. It's 4, 1, 3, 2. Does everybody have 4, 1, 3, 2?
Yes.
Okay. Listen and fill in the blanks. Let's start with Nick. Number 1.
This is our town in the future.
Good. Number 2, Sylvia.
Where is Jeff? He is over there.
Okay, good. Shark. Number 3.
We are going to the future.
Good. Who haven't I called? Rachel, number 4.
Wait for me, I'm coming.
Good. Roy, number 5.
Come with me after school.
Good. Next page, please. Page 26. Roy, same thing. Listen and write the number. Can you tell me the numbers of the first top 2 boxes?
3, 1.
3 and 1. Does everybody have 3 and 1?
Yes.
Okay, Sylvia, how about the bottom 2 boxes?
4, 2.
4 and 2. Does everybody have 4 and 2?
Yes.
Okay. This is part L. Listen and fill in the blanks. Rachel, can you do number 1?
He usually gets up early.
Good. Nick, number 2.
Do you ever walk to school? Yes, I do.
Okay. Mario, number 3.
He was at the bookstore. He wasn't at the library.
Good. Shark, last one.
Were they in the cafeteria? No, they weren't. They were in the coffee shop.
Good. Okay, did everybody been correcting it?
Yes.
Okay. Please close your homework book. Before we start today's lesson, I'm going to do a quick review of the last lesson. We are going to use were they, but I will give you a place how to answer the question. Like, we are going to use no. I'm going to say no bathroom. You guys understand? When I say no bathroom, that's how I want you guys to answer it. Like, I will start for an example. Mario, were they in the bathroom? And I am going to say no. Library. So, how are you going to answer the question?
No, they weren't. They were in the library.
Good. Now, I will ask the same question to Rachel. Were they in the bookstore? And I'm going to say no, school.
No, they weren't. They were in the school.
Good. Roy, same thing. Were they in the library? And I'm going to say no, bathroom.
No, they weren't. They were in the bedroom.
Bathroom, good. Sylvia, same thing. Were they in the restaurant? No, school.
No, they weren't. They were at the school.
They were in the school.
They were in the school.
Good. Nick, were they at the bookstore? No, they were, no kitchen.
No, they weren't. They were in the kitchen.
Good. Alice, were they in the library? No, restaurant.
No, they weren't. They were in the restaurant.
Good. One more time.
No, they weren't.
They were in the restaurant. Okay. Chuck, were they at the library? No, bathroom.
No, they weren't. They were in the bedroom.
Good. Now, was that hard or easy?
Easy.
Okay, let's finish the review and get into today's lesson, but please don't open your books. The title of the lesson is On the Moon. Has anybody been to the moon? Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Roy, have you been to the moon? No? Okay. Nobody has been to the moon. Only certain people. Now, I'm going to ask you guys a couple questions about the moon. Do you think moon is bigger or the earth is bigger? Earth is bigger. How much bigger do you think it is? Double? Triple? It's 4 times as big as the moon. I thought moon was bigger, but it's not. The moon is only 25% of the Earth's size. So it's smaller than what I thought. Okay? How do you get to the moon? Do you ride a bike?
No. Spaceship.
Spaceship. Have you ever guys seen a spaceship?
Yes.
Yes? How did you see it, Roy? News, okay. Or have you guys been to like an amusement park or like a field trip with the school?
Museum.
No? Museums? Okay, good. Field trip. Movies, okay, movies too. Spaceships are very expensive and they get us to the moon and it is a long experience. It is very hard. Now, what do you wear on the moon?
Spaceship.
Spacesuit, right? And how do people move on the moon? Do they run?
No.
Do they walk?
No.
Do they float?
Fly.
And fly. They float and they fly. Why do you think they fly and they float on the moon? Mario?
No air.
No air. No air. That means no gravity. People just float. How would you like to do that? What if you can just float around? Do you think you will have fun?
Yes.
Yes? Please open your books to page 29. Let's get into today's lesson. Everybody on page 29?
Yes.
Okay, starting with Sylvia, I want everybody to read one sentence. So Sylvia, Roy, Rachel, Mario, and it's going to go back to Nick, Alice, and Chuck. Okay?
I'm flying.
We can fly on the moon. Yes, we can.
Where were you, Jeff?
I was at the candy shop.
Look at this candy.
It's very big.
Yes, it is.
This candy is delicious. Can I have one?
Sure, you can.
Follow me.
Let's go candy shop.
Good. Let's go to the candy shop. Look, part E. Yes. Part E. Shark, can you read the sentence?
Yes. Jeff can't fly on the moon. Or
Is it true or false? Okay, what can Jeff do? Can Jeff fly or can he not fly?
can fly.
Right, so let's cross out, let's put an X to can't. Everyone get your pencils out, please. Let's fix the sentence. Good, so it's false. So let's put an X to can't and put a can. Okay? Did everybody do that?
Yes.
Okay. Number 2. Alice.
There was at the toy show.
Is that true or false?
False.
False. Okay. Where was Jeff?
Candy shop.
Right. Candy shop. So let's put an X to toy shop and put candy shop. Number 3. Rachel. Can you read?
Sandy wants to have some candy.
True or false?
True.
True. Yes. Sandy wants to have some candy. Good. Page 30. Now we are going to learn new phrases to ask people. Okay, I'm going to write these on the board and we will practice with these phrases. Okay, think of your favorite places. Let's write some places down so we can ask each other and talk about it. Sylvia, where are some favorite places you like to go? What is your favorite place? Library? Are you sure? Library? Library. Roy, where is your favorite place?
Supermarket.
Supermarket? Why do you like the supermarket?
We buy some cookie.
We buy some, I like to buy some cookies.
I like to buy
Some-
cookie.
I like to buy some cookies. One more time.
I like to buy
Some?
cookie.
Good. I thought it was maybe a toy shop or something. Rachel, where is your favorite place?
Amusement park.
Right. Amusement park. Mario,
Bakery.
bakery store?
Yes.
Do you like bread?
Yes.
What is your favorite type of bread?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Say, I like chocolate bread.
I like chocolate bread.
Good. Nick, where?
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Where is your favorite restaurant? Do you have one? Huh? Put your hands down. Sit up. Where is your favorite restaurant? I'll come back. You think about it, okay? Alice. Park.
Playground.
Playground. Park, playground is the same thing, but it's okay. Now, look at one of these places that you guys named, and I'm going to ask each one of you a question, and you are going to answer using this format that I wrote on the board. Okay?
Yes.
Everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay, sit up. Okay. Mario, where was she?
She was in the library.
Good. Where was he?
He was at the supermarket.
Good. Roy.
He
Wait a minute. Where was Roy? No, you gotta use, I don't want to confuse, I'll use someone else's name. Where was Jason?
He was at the
restaurant.
Good, but I asked you with a name, so you have to answer with a name. Where was Jason? Jason was at the, okay? Where was Jason? Jason was?
Jason was at the restaurant.
Good. I'm going to ask you one more time, okay, Roy? Where was Jason?
Teacher was at the restaurant.
You have to use Jason. Roy, when I ask you where was Jason, you have to answer Jason was at the, okay?
Yes.
Roy, where was Jason?
Jason was at the restaurant.
Good. Sylvia, where was she?
She was at the park.
Good. Nick, where was Jeff?
Jeff was at the bakery.
Good. Alice, where was she?
She was at the library.
Good. Chuck, where was Mario?
Mario was at the amusement park.
I'm going to have you guys ask each other, okay?
Yes.
So let's start with, it's up to you guys. Let's start with were they, you, or they. Okay, so you guys pick one of these places to answer your partner's question, okay? Now, Sylvia, ask Roy using where were you or where were they?
Where were they?
They were at the bakery.
Good. Roy, use where were you or they and ask Rachel the question.
Where were you?
I was at the playground.
Good. Can you do the same thing to Mario?
Where were you? I was at the amusement park.
Good. Mario, turn around and ask Shark a question.
Where were they?
They were at the amusement park.
Good. Shark, can you ask the same question to Alice?
Where were they?
They were at the bakery.
A little bit louder.
They were at the bakery.
Good. Alice, ask a question to Nick.
Where were you?
I was at the supermarket.
Good. Now, Nick, ask me a question.
Where were you?
I was at the supermarket. I was trying to think of a cool place, but I couldn't think of a funny place to answer. Now, using a different phrase, I will start and ask, who should I ask? I will ask Sylvia. Where was she?
She was in the restaurant.
Good, I can't hear you though, a little bit louder, okay? Where was she?
She was at the restaurant.
Okay, good. Can you ask the same question to Roy?
Where was he?
He was at the playground.
Good. Roy, can you ask the same question to Rachel? You don't have to use the same one. You can switch to he, she, or you can use a person's name. Okay?
Where was Mario?
Mario was at the bakery.
Good. Ask Mario a question.
Where was she?
She was at the bakery.
One more time, more smoothly. Can you ask the same question, Rachel?
Where was she?
She was at the bakery.
Good. Now turn around and ask a question to Shark.
Where was Shark? I was at the supermarket.
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 Okay, but you confuse. When you use Shark, he's answering with an I. But when you ask with a name, you have to answer with a name, like if it's not your name, Shark. Okay, so let's try again. Mario, ask the same question but use a different name. You're confusing me.
Where was Nick? Nick was at the library.
Good. Ask the same question to Alice.
Where was Sylvia?
Sylvia was at the bakery.
Good. Can you ask the same question to Nick? Oh, you can use different one. I meant the same format. You don't always have to use the name. He, she, or you can use a name.
Where was he? He was at the library.
Good. Now, these are the ways and phrases you ask where a person has been. So, if you are curious and you want to ask where a person is, you have to use these phrases. Okay? Now, where? Is it one person or two people?
Two people.
How about was? Is it one person or more than one person?
One person.
Okay. That's the only thing you guys have to remember. Okay?
Okay.
Was today's lesson hard or easy?
Easy.
Okay, let's wrap up today's lesson. And next lesson, we are going to use different phrases. We are going to use future tense. How to ask people in future tense. So, close your books and take out your homework book, please.